Dear friends, hello, this is Nick Polishkin. Today we have a meeting and discussion with Mr. Vladimir Bugera, my colleague and associate. We've been working together on real estate analytics for the last 5 years. We have a meeting in our office in Aventura. Vladimir, hi. Nice to see you.
Thank you for the invitation.
Thank you for coming. Last time we met was about half a year ago. A lot of changes for the last 6 months. So that's why we decided to meet again and discuss it and share all the information with our subscribers. So without further ado, let's talk about the year 2022. How was last 6 months with the real estate? What trends you saw? When was the peak of the market and what happened after that?
Yes. So let's start with 2021. So 2021 was extremely busy year for real estate. A lot of sales, very low inventories, very fast growth in prices.
It was crazy busy, I can tell you. We have more than 80 agents, and it was lots of transactions, lots of review of contracts, and this was the busiest year for the last 5 years.
And so we started 2022 with on this very fast-moving industry track, I would say, but there were expectations that we're going to have high interest rates and maybe some slowdown in economy, and then a lot of things happened in February. So on a geopolitical front. That actually changed everything, and Federal Reserve, because of it, impacted inflation right away.
Inflation went through the roof. Was about what, 7%, 8%.
Yes.
This is unprecedented high inflation rate. That's why Federal Reserve had to step in.
And they started raising interest rates really fast.
So when was the peak of peak of the market, when the inventory was super low? When exactly was it?
Yeah, so what happens, the industry was moving really fast, and even though interest rates started going up, but it did not impact the market right away, and even more, we reached the lowest inventories ever, on a record in
It was
April.
like 1 month of supply.
Yes.
So if no new homes were coming to the market, all inventory will be gone in 1 month.
Yeah. And probably a lot of people panicked because a lot of people wanted to buy properties either for themselves or park their money, their investments, and they were looking at higher interest rates, and so a lot of people just essentially were jumping in the last
bus.
last bus. But in May things changed. Actually, in May, that's when we saw a significant increase in mortgage rates. They went up to 5 to 6%, and that slowed the market.
The market, yeah.
And we right there in May, we noticed a significant increase in inventory levels, but the prices kept going up.
So prices were going up, inventory was raising all over the state, or all over South Florida, or in some parts?
In general, like on average, everywhere, but you always have some areas where there is still a very strong demand, and it's because real estate is location.
Exactly. But Vladimir, tell us, and I think last time we talked about it, but about the prototype which you built, which helps us to see basically inventory spikes and trends.
Yeah, so in collaboration with Nick's company, we built actually a very robust tool. It's an application that monitors all the local communities in South Florida, monitors the inventory levels and finds areas where inventories are dropping or areas where inventories are going up, and it helps to find good opportunities on the market, and also it helps for sellers to know when is the right time to
sell, to list it. So exactly, and that's the question which always comes into our minds, into minds of our clients, agents, where to find deals. So that was the answer, where to find deals. contact us. We will locate the best deal for you and help you to go through analytics. So then you're buying the house or apartment for yourself or for investment purposes, you will be making decision with conviction based on analytics and research.
Yeah, and here I want to add that Vera Realty and Nick's team, they have exclusive access to this platform.
Yep.
No other companies have it.
Vladimir, you're the best. So let's give to our viewers some advices in current market, current situation. What's the action plan if you've been planning to buy a house, you missed that opportunities like the low interest rates, but now the situation is different, you have more inventory. So what advice you will give to our subscribers, viewers, what to do next?
So if you're looking to buy a property for yourself to live, just look at your own personal situation. How much you plan to pay in rent, how much will be rent next year, and see how much money can you put as a down payment. Talk with the mortgage broker, see what will be your payment if you buy properties, and then talk with a good real estate agent, so he will help you to navigate and find the right property. And the good thing today is there are so many options on the market, and it's really good. Although interest rates are higher, but in return you are getting ability to pick the best.
Pick the best, and how you have a choice.
Yes.
Yep. And you can basically, with this amount of choice on the market, you can find sometimes home for yourself, which you would never find before, and that way we can help you to secure great house which will be going in value based on the location. And as Vladimir said before, location is everything, and we always look at the location when we're analyzing the properties as well, no matter for investment purposes or for your own life and for your family. Vladimir, thank you so much. This was a brief but very informative overview. Let's meet again in the next 3 months. So definitely subscribe to our channel to meet with us again for this real estate talk, and looking forward to hear from you. Give us feedback, give us likes, and have an amazing year and rest of the year, and see you soon.